how to source high quality cacao for your business. Most businesses think sourcing cacao is about origin or price, but that's not why cacao succeeds or fails in production. The real problem: good samples equals consistency and supply, but origin is the performance and price, and that's on a long-term viability. Most buyers don't realise failure happens after the purchase, not what actually determines quality. See, breaking it into three core drivers: fermentation control equals flavour plus chemistry. Poor fermentation is unusable cacao. Processing and into powder, stability, usability in production, batch control. Supply consistency. Can it be repeated at scale? Can it hold quality over time? This is where 90% of suppliers fail. Here we give practical framework to help you source quality premium cacao powder by asking suppliers, how is fermentation controlled? Is processing standardized? Can you supply consistent batches? What happens at scale? This builds authority fast and produces red flags instantly. See, no clear fermentation process, inconsistent batch samples, no structured supply system, over-focus on origin marketing. This positions you above the competitor. Don't ask, where is it from? Ask, will this perform consistently in my production? If your cacao sourcing isn't structured, your production won't be stable. The difference isn't better cacao, it's a better supply system. Work with structured, traceable cacao supply and not guesswork. Here at Global Cacao Traders Online, your sourcing and distributions platform of premium cacao powder. High quality cacao sourcing depends on fermentation control and so much more. See, cacao sourcing comes with multiple requirements, especially when you're trying to produce bulk cacao from suppliers. Premium cacao powder suppliers are limited in this industry, but Global Cacao Traders are here to support you globally. We're sourcing from every region in the world, coming back to a traceable, standardized system which you and farmers can retrieve quality right from the tree to your cup. If you want more information on premium cacao powder and what is possible for you in supplying and distributions of premium cacao powder, then Global Cacao Traders are here to support you and guide you in which direction to take. We are the sourcing platform and distribution globally, and we help businesses buy premium cacao business to business around the world. Thank you for your time. Simply subscribe, like and share this video. If you'd like more up-to-date information, we post regularly with quality information to help you make the right decisions in your business venture with premium cacao.